Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Fitzcardy, and in this video, I would explain to you what is a WordPress plugin, as well as how WordPress plugins work and how many WordPress plugins should you install. So let's start with what is a WordPress plugin. So you might have heard about plugins before, people talking about WordPress plugin and the rest. So when WordPress started, it was a blog platform, and you can only create blogs with it. So later on, WordPress developed and they introduced plugins into their ecosystem. So with plugin now, a WordPress plugin is a code zip file or apps that adds new functionality or extends the existing functionalities of a WordPress website. So with WordPress plugin now, you can create any type of website with it, either be it an e-commerce website, a forum website, a social media website, or whatever kind of website it is. So these plugins, they are just like apps on your smartphone. That apps on your smartphone, they ask new functionalities to your phone. Maybe an app might allow you to do something you cannot do with your phone, like take notes on your phone. Um, Apps like camera apps now that allows you to take pictures. So the same way the apps on your smartphone works, that's the same way WordPress plugin works. And WordPress plugins, they are written in PHP programming languages, and they add new features and functionalities to your WordPress site that allows you to build different types of websites with it. Some WordPress plugins can introduce functionality that help you track your website visitors, like an example is Monster Insight, Analytify, etc. They can also help you improve your site speed and performance. An example of a plugin that does that is WP Rocket, WP Super Catchy, Lightspeed Catchy as well, etc. Enable you to sell products. Those are e-commerce plugins like WooCommerce, Easy Digital Downloads, Thrive Cards, etc. They also allow you to, some plugins also allow you to allow your visitors to contact you via a form. These are form plugins like Forminator, WP Forms, Gravity Forms, etc. Some plugins also allow you to improve the SEO, that is the search engine optimization of your website. So plugins like Yoast SEO, All-in-One SEO, and Rank Math as well. Those are plugins that help you improve your SEO. And some plugins allows you to create gallery. It could be a video gallery or an image gallery. An example is a Vera gallery that allows you to um, create powerful image galleries on your WordPress website. So now let's look at how WordPress plugins work. So WordPress is coded in a way that allow other developers to add their codes. As I've said earlier on, that WordPress plugins, they are code zip files. So they are coded and they are being stored in the zip file, different files, and being zipped together. So these plugins now, they add codes to your website that extend the functionality. So WordPress is coded in such a way that allows developers to um, add codes to your website. And with the WordPress plugin API, which offers lots of hooks and filters, developers can modify existing functionalities or add new ones by developing a plugin. So when you visit a WordPress website, what WordPress does is that it connects with your database, loads the WordPress software, then loads your active plugin. So that is how the WordPress plugin works. So now let's look at how many WordPress plugins should you install. So in the WordPress community, there's a popular myth or misconception that so many plugins will slow down your website. Although this claim is not true, but it's actually something you should also take note of. It is not the quantity of plugins you have on your website that slow down your website, but the bad plugins or poorly coded ones. And you should when choosing your WordPress plugins, it's recommended that you install only good plugins, and you should only install the plugins you need right now. Do not install a plugin because it is cool. Only install what you need. If you don't need a certain plugin right now, do not install it. Okay, so this is the end of this video. If you love this video, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.